Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my hubby's birthday, so I thought of preparing dudhi ka halwa, which is also called lauki in Hindi and bottle gourd in English. As you all know, bottle gourd has many health benefits. It is high in fiber, vitamin C, zinc, iron and magnesium. Bottle gourd helps in cooling your body. So I thought it's an excellent and healthy option to make a sweet. So let's have a look at the ingredients. This is grated 1.5 kg lauki, which after grating I have squeezed the water. This is the water, and you don't throw away this water. You can use it in any of your dals or just drink it. It's a excellent healthy drink to detoxify your liver. So now let us have the look at other ingredients. This is 4 tablespoons of desi ghee. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can take according to your taste. My daughter likes it sweet, so I am going to add sugar. This is sliced almonds. These are raisins. These are cashew nuts. This is elaichi powder. And this is Amul 200 gram Amul mithai made. So let's proceed towards cooking. You also need milk. Here I have taken 1 cup. You can take according to your taste. If you need it more, you can take more than 1 cup also. Let us pour the 4 tablespoons of ghee inside the kadai. And now let us pour in the lauki, grated lauki. Now as you can see, I have put in the grated lauki. Now we will saute the lauki until it loses its water little bit. So keep on stirring it and let it cook, and let the water disappear from the remaining little bit water, whatever it is, let it disappear it from the lauki. I've been stirring it for almost 10 minutes. As you can see, the lauki has almost dry, in a dry consistency now. Now let us add 1 cup of milk to it. And after that I am going to add the Milkmaid. Now keep on stirring it, and now the halwa will take at least 40 to 45 minutes to cook. So we can keep on stirring in between. Now let me cover the halwa and let it cook for almost 45 minutes. While the halwa is getting cooked, let us roast our cashew nuts and raisins. I have taken almost 2 tablespoons of the ghee, and now let us roast them. Take care that these nuts don't get burnt, because we just want a nice crispy golden brown cashew nut and roasted raisins. So take care you don't burn the nuts. Keep on stirring it. See, the cashew nuts have turned golden brown. Let us switch off the flame and take them out. The roasted cashew nut and raisins in the bowl, and we will add it at the end of the recipe. Check the halwa. It has almost been 40 minutes since it is on the gas. So now the halwa is almost done. Now let us add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This you can skip because the Milkmaid is already sweet. So it is up to you if you want to add the sugar or not. Now we will add the elaichi powder and just give it a quick stir. still I will have to keep this halwa on the flame for more 15 minutes. So let it cook for 15 minutes. We'll keep on stirring in between. Now let us see, it has been 15 minutes. Now the halwa is done. If you like it a little bit brown in color, you can keep it more for 15 minutes and the color will turn brownish. But my daughter likes it in green, and here I will give you a tip. If you like it too much of green, then you can add a little green color to it, edible eating green color to it, to enhance its looks. But I have not added the colors because I don't prefer adding the colors. So let us add the cashew nuts and the raisins and a little bit of sliced almonds. Some I have kept for garnishing. Now let us give it a quick stir. Now after 5 minutes of stirring, the halwa is ready to serve. So let's serve the halwa in the bowl. The halwa in the bowl, and now let us garnish it with some sliced almonds. This is really looking so tempting, and I hope my husband likes it. So friends, if you like this recipe, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Do like my videos and give me any of your feedback or any suggestions you have in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, bye, take care.